You make a bunch of noise out here, so they don't hear a squeak in here. That's why we combine the superior strength and stiffness of AdvanTech Subflooring with the powerful polyurethane bond of new AdvanTech Subfloor adhesive, so you get a strong panel-to-joist connection here to help ensure homeowners won't hear pops and squeaks here. It's also why we created our squeak-free guarantee, so you have peace of mind out here, and they have quiet subfloors here. Because whether you're here or here, there's no better sound than the peace and quiet that comes from AdvanTech Subflooring and AdvanTech Subfloor adhesive. Flat out best for a quiet, stiff floor.